Example number 3. The pressure P, volume V and the temperature is T of a gas are related as P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to CT, where A, B, C are constants, and find the dimension of A by B. We have to continue it on the another page. As the given equation is P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to CT. Here P is the pressure and the dimension of, according to homogeneity principle, the dimension of A by V square is equal to the dimension of P. Because if they have the same dimension, then we can relate it easy. Here A by V square is equal to P. This implies A is equal to P into V square. And if we have to find the value of V, then the dimension of B is equal to dimension of A. Thus B having the same value of V, where we know that V is the volume, and thus B is equal to the volume having in the term of length, then volume is length cube, thus that is equal to L3. If we find out the value of, as we already find out the value of pressure in the last video, if you do not watch my video, the first one video, then please visit it firstly, and then we find the value of pressure is equal to the dimension of pressure is M L minus 1 T minus 2, that is equal to always pressure is equal to force upon area. Thus we have the value of this, of the value of P. This is 1 and this is 2, and we in the question we have to find the value of A by B, the dimension of A by B. Thus that is equal to A is equal to PV square and B is equal to V. Thus here V to V cancel out, that is equal to P into V. The value of P is M L minus 1 T minus 2, and the value of V is equal to L3. Thus combine it properly, M1 L minus 3 and 3, that is L2 T minus 2. This is our answer, the dimension of A by B. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more important videos. Thank you so much.